Hello, my name is Stefan. Welcome to Coffee Break Linux Lesson 8. In today's lesson, we will explore a new GNU operating system called Voyager Linux. Voyager originates from France and is based on the branch of Xbuntu. Xbuntu itself is derived from Ubuntu, which is derived from Debian. In the 1990s to 2000, Debian was created and gave birth to many operating systems. Many branches of this operating system died with time, but many are still living today, many. And Ubuntu is one of them. Ubuntu is an important branch of Debian because with Ubuntu was created many applications available for this operating system. So anything that derives from Ubuntu benefits from having multiple applications available. Xbuntu itself derived from Ubuntu and have also many applications available to users. Xbuntu also features efficiency, a lot of efficiency. You can see and work Xbuntu on older computers very easily. It comes into x86 and 64-bit or operating system. Today we'll explore the general aspect and menu of Voyager, and in the next lesson we'll go a little bit deeper with the exploration of this operating system. Previous lessons have shown us offering you a training on elementary OS originating from Canada, US. Why switching to Voyager today? It's because there are not only one type of Linux available out there. There are thousands of operating system GNU Linux, and Voyager struck our eyes, and the fact that it's efficient, stable, robust, and extremely user-friendly. So let's start. On the bottom of your screen you will see that there is a shortcut menu. Some items in this shortcut menu can be taken off and added in. We'll show you how to do this in this lesson. On the top, from right to left, you got the user session, configuration or change. You can log out, restart the computer, shut down, suspend the system. You got the workspace features. We will see in a moment what a workspace is. Time, dates. If you click on the right, you can go properties and change times and date. Volume control, network control, Bluetooth, and other icons featured that we will explore later. On the top left, you have the Voyager icon, which gives you an access to the whole menu. On the left is favorite applications that were put there, and on the right is distribution of all applications and submenus of these applications. Now let's see. Let's go to access games, for instance, and we'd like to add this chess game to our shortcut menu on the bottom. All we have to do is to drag the icon of the chess game to the shortcut menu and let go. And here you go, you get the chess game available quickly and efficiently from your operating system shortcut menu. Now if you don't want an icon on the bottom, all you have to do is to drag it out of your shortcut menu. It remains in the main menu of Voyager, but is taken off from the shortcut. Same thing here for our game that we just put in, chess. Now I've mentioned workspace. Let's imagine that your screen is split in 4. Let's imagine that you have 4 screens, one side by side and on top of each other, like this little matrix display here. Let's open the file manager here. You can see on the top right that I'm working into one workspace, one screen available. If I click on the second one, I'm working on a different screen, a different display. Let's open a terminal here. So if I click back to number 1, I go back to my screen, my workspace 1. That means you can work up to 4 in this case by default, but you can have more or less depending of your personalized configuration. So you can work with 4 workspace by default with Voyager. I'll go to number 3 here, open up something else like a browser. Change the size. What's neat about these workspaces, they are not necessarily independent of each other. You can actually drag a window to the next workspace and work with that. And you can drag it up and you'll go to the 4th workspace. And if you keep dragging up and dragging up and dragging up, obviously you're just moving up and down from workspace to another. Right, left, same principle. So there's one thing you cannot do with Voyager that you could do with Elementary OS. With Elementary OS, you could take a window and just push it to the extreme right, and it would actually split in 2 and take exactly half of your screen. But with this, if you drag a window to the right, you just are changing workspace. So that's one feature to remember when you're playing with Voyager. Now, desktop wise, if you click on the right, you have access to launchers and terminals and other quick shortcut apps, but mainly you have desktop settings. If you want to change your wallpaper background, you can do so this way. Yes, take this one, and notice here that you can have a different wallpaper to all your workspace, or you can apply to all workspace any wallpaper, meaning you'll have the same background for all workspaces. It's a question of personalizing your operating system the way you'd like to do so. So that's a quick view of the operating system. We will see in the next lessons a little bit more about it. Voyager is an interesting operating system, and I think it can actually serve clients and users and you more efficiently than what you are probably using as an operating system. So that really is complete. Thank you for watching this lesson, and the next lessons will be about more specifics of the operating system, Voyager. Thank you.